Required columns are columns that must contain a value before a user can complete or submit a workflow action. Think of them as mandatory fields that users must fill in. Click the three dots beside the column name, go to Settings, and choose Set Column as required to make it mandatory. Columns designated as required are denoted by a red asterisk to the right of the label. Consequently, all users will be able to identify which columns on the board are mandatory. Below is the list of columns which can be set as mandatory. We have designated few columns as mandatory in our scenario. Clicking plus New Item on a board with required columns opens a pop-up card, allowing you to fill in the necessary information immediately. If you miss a required column, a red box will appear around it. Please fill in all red outlined fields to proceed with adding the item. When using the item pop-up card, you can filter the view to display only required columns, making it easier to populate necessary data. To see only required columns, activate the toggle at the top of the item pop-up card. Once the data is entered, click on Create Item or Task to make a new entry on the board. Keep learning. Follow @the Leadership Lanes for more project management hacks.